Leaving Melide this morning, I couldn't help but think about how many pilgrims have stood in this exact spot before me. Pilgrim stopping, sitting down together, sharing food before heading back out. It's one of those small traditions that connects you to everyone who's walked this before.
Okay, welcome to day 72, Camino 2025. We're in Melide. We're headed to Salceda. It's about a 25, 26 kilometer walk. And that's what we've been doing forever, it seems like. 16, 17, 18 miles. But anyway, another rough night's sleep last night. My sciatica is, I just can't find a comfortable position. The bed wasn't very good. Even though I stayed in a private row of pension, I thought I'd have a decent bed, but it didn't quite work out that way. So, got to deal with that today. And also dealing with the heat. It's up to 32, which I believe is somewhere in the upper 80s Fahrenheit. And it's gonna be a long, hard day. So looking forward to getting to Salceda, getting some good rest there. And then tomorrow we're in Santiago. Let's go.
Day 72 of the journey, day 35 on the Camino Francés. Melide to Salceda, about 27 kilometers. At this point, something starts to shift. It's not that the walking gets easier, because it doesn't, but there's a different feeling in the air. Santiago is getting close. You can feel it in the conversations, in the pace, even in the quiet moments out on the trail. The trail today is classic Galicia, rolling hills, shaded paths, stone walls lining the way. Nothing extreme, just steady movement all day long. Up a little, down a little. It's the kind of walking where your legs just go and your mind starts to wander. I've had a lot of those moments lately, thinking about how far I've come, but also realizing there's still something left to finish. Coming through Boente, I passed the Church of Santiago. It's been there since the Middle Ages, welcoming pilgrims long before anything we use today existed. No apps, no reservations, no planning, just people walking with purpose. It's humbling to think about that. Makes you realize this journey is a lot bigger than just this one trip. Then you drop down into Ribadiso, and that stone bridge really catches your attention. It's one of those spots where you just slow down for a second. The kind of place where you know thousands of pilgrims have passed before you, all carrying their own reasons for being here. And for a moment, you're just part of that same story. By the time I reached Arzúa, it felt like the right place to stop. This town is known for its cheese, and like a lot of places on the Camino, food becomes part of the experience. Not just eating, but taking a break, sitting down, and just being in the moment for a while. That rhythm of walk, stop, eat, repeat, it becomes your routine out here. While I was there, I had one of those unexpected Camino moments. Met a Catholic sister, and we ended up talking for a bit. Nothing complicated, just a simple conversation, but it stuck with me. We took a photo together before I left, and it felt like one of those small reminders of what this journey is really about: connection, faith, and the people you meet along the way. The final stretch towards Salceda was quieter. More wooded paths, eucalyptus trees, filtered light coming through. You can feel Santiago getting closer now. There's a subtle shift in everything. People talk about it more. You start thinking about the end, even if you're not quite ready for it.
Okay, so it's about 1:30. Be going on to. Got about 5 kilometers to my albergue. A lot of shade on this walk this afternoon, which is kind of nice because it's warm. Here we go. How can you not stop at this place?
Hola, buen día.
So there's this place real close to Salceda. I think it's right around the 30-kilometer mark. Guys playing music and got great places to sit here and have a beer. I couldn't do anything but stop. Talk to you later.
Day 72 ends in Salceda, another small village, another stop along the way. No big finish today, just another day closer. And out here, that's enough.